Mana yo? Gimana?
Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, hello. Cameras on, guys.
Good afternoon.
On blocks.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Keep the
Good
blocks
afternoon.
nearby.
Hi.
Chair, yoga belt. Keep everything necessary for you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. Cameras on. Everyone ready?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. Shilpa, Pradnya.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Proceed.
Hello, hello. Tanu Goyal, Dananya. Cameras on. Let's start, guys. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press the sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Take an inhale. Reach the arms up. Join the hands in prayer. Exhale. Bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start with one Om together. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release the hands down. Open your eyes. And let's start. Tabletop position. Hands under the shoulders. Knees under the hips. Take an inhale. Arch the spine fully. Open through the chest. Look forward with the eyes. Exhale, pelvis in. Navel in. Chin in. Inhale, arch. Open two. Exhale, round. Inhale, three.
I'm trying to get another egg.
Exhale, round. Guys, please mute.
I got the
Inhale,
egg.
four.
Where is it? It's the egg detected nearby.
Exhale, round.
Where's the dang egg? Okay, it's right here. There we go.
Inhale, six. Guys, please mute.
So to get the egg
Exhale, round.
event to charge or just maybe do just
Inhale, seven.
until you actually get the egg. Okay?
Exhale, round.
Oh, that rotate.
Inhale, eight. Exhale, round. Inhale, nine. Exhale, round. Inhale, 10. Exhale, round. Come to center. Watch me. We are going to do the same cat and cow, but we are going to work on segmenting the movement of the spine. What does it mean? It means we learn to control which part to move. Yes, we have the lower part of the spine, mid spine, and upper spine. Yes, so we are gonna open the pelvis first. Belly down towards the floor, chest forward. Shoulders pushing not forward and up, back. Yes, and then exhale. Start from the pelvis, navel in, press the hands, ribcage, chest, chin in, slowly. From here we will open again slowly. Pelvis, belly, ribcage, chest, collar goes forward, eyes forward. Yes, that's one rep. We aim for 5. 5 slow reps, 2 minutes. Aarti, start. Move slow, intentional, observing. Pradnya, one step forward with the hands. Slowly moving, guys. Maximum awareness on the spine. Neck lifted, away from the ears when you look forward. Keep the weight between the hands and the knees. There's no weight shifting. Only the spine movement. Aarti, bache, start. Start. Start the class. 5 reps, guys. Last 30 seconds.
Mom, there's a network error.
Okay, I see. Don't worry. Do what you can. Let's start finishing, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Now, guys, you're going to extend the arms forward. Yes, press the hands to the mat. Forehead. Stay here. Only here. No pelvic movement. Only neutral pelvis. Neutral pelvis is not open, not closed. Center. Yes? Forehead on the mat if you can. Press the hands, shoulders to the ears. Yes? There's a lengthening, guys. Yes? Let's start. 1 minute hold. Time is on in 5. Prepare. 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure the hips are on top of the knees. Hands shoulder distance. Hands active to the mat. Ankita, look at the exercise. You're doing it. You're doing child's pose, puppy pose. Guys, I'm showing all the exercise. Please check before you go. Last 20 seconds.
Ma'am, should I place my forehead or my chin down?
Forehead for now. Forehead only.
Okay.
Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the hands down, round the spine, hands under the shoulders. Press the hands down, shoulder rotation. 10, 9, big circle, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now guys, watch me. Press the hands down from tabletop. We are going to do cat and cow sideways. The weight, guys, weight is not shifting. Yes, it's thoracic movement. So the weight is not shifting. Yeah? I move in cow, round up like a circle. I'm drawing a circle with the spine. Yes? 5, one direction, 5, other direction. Let's start. 1, big. Press hands down. 2, 3, very good. 4, 5, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Come to center. You're gonna take again hands forward. This time, big arms to touch. Forehead on the mat. Open the pelvis. If you can, nose. If you can, chin. If you can, chest and chin. Pick your variation. Yes, the hands, no matter where you are pressing to the mat. We never relax the arms. Yes? Active hold. Active hold 1 minute. Everyone position. Let's start in 5, 4. Make sure the knees are under your hips. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Deep breaths. There's going to be a lot of tension probably in the shoulder area, upper back. Breathe through it. Last 30 seconds. And by forehead on the floor, arms extended. If you can go more, nose, chin or chest and chin. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the hands down, round the spine up. Take your blocks. Watch me first. You're gonna take blocks, high setting. Yes, high setting everyone. Shoulder distance apart. Yes, elbows on top, hands to the shoulders. You're gonna press the elbows to the block, open the pelvis slowly, segment the spine, and then forehead to touch. Round. Even if the forehead doesn't touch, you go as low as you can, arch like in cow, press elbows, pelvis in from the bottom of the spine, round like in cat position. Inhale down as much as I can. Exhale round. 10 times. Let's go, guys. Prepare, make sure alignment is like in tabletop. Elbows on the edge of the block, knees under your hips. Yes, practice the spine segmentation. Open the pelvis, belly, chest, forehead, arch the spine like in cow. Press the elbows, exhale from the pelvis, lower back, middle back, upper back, cat position. Inhale, open slowly, 2. Exhale, round. Open. Slow, 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 3. Exhale, round. Open, 4. Exhale, round. Open, 5. All the way down. Exhale. Open, 6. Exhale, round. Fully separate the scapula. Open, 7. Exhale, round. Open 8, slowly. Exhale, round. Open 9. Exhale, round. Open 10, hold it down, and 1 minute hold. Deep breaths. Keep pressing elbows to the blocks. Stay with the breath. Find stillness in the pose, guys. Find the stillness in the pose. Keep thinking of the cow pelvis. Rajesh, 2 steps back with the knees. You need blocks for my classes. Last 15 seconds. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming up. Very good. Cat and cow, full spine, 5 rounds. Full spine. Inhale, open. Fully awareness on the movement of the spine. Exhale, close. 1. Continue. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Inhale. Exhale, 3. Inhale. Exhale, 4. Inhale. Exhale, 5. Very good. Come back to center. We're going to lay down on the belly. Forehead on the mat. Press the hands next to the chest, elbows back. Inhale, you're going to lift the chest. Slowly exhale. Press feet down. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, 2. 10 times. Inhale. Press, lift with control. Keep the elbows bent. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. Shoulders away from the ears, elbows bent. Exhale, down. Inhale, 3. Legs active. Exhale, down. Inhale, 4. Exhale, down without dropping the head back, guys. Back of the neck long. Inhale, 5. Exhale, down. Inhale, 6. Exhale, down. Keep a micro bend on the elbows, Aman. Inhale, 7. Exhale, down. Eyes forward when we lift, guys. Inhale, 8. Exhale, down. Inhale, 9. Exhale, down. Inhale, 10. Hold it. Up, up, up. Keep the elbows a little bit bent. Shoulders away from the ears. Back of the neck long. Legs active. Chest forward. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bend the elbows all the way down. Press into tabletop again. Watch me. You're gonna take the blocks. Second setting of the blocks. Yes? Shoulder distance apart. You're gonna press the elbows, hands together. Option 1, forehead. Option 2, nose. Option 3, chin. Yes, we want to go as low as possible. You will feel more deep into the armpit, into the shoulder. Yes, you keep it active by pressing the elbows. Don't pull all the way down without pressing the elbows. The elbows help you round. Yes, we will only hold it this time. Only hold as low as you can. Yes, we have to imagine there is a weight pulling down from the chest. Elbows pressing on the edge of the mat, guys. On the edge. Yes? On the edge. Here. Let's try. Make sure from the elbow to the hip, you are extended, knees under your hips. Hold it down, everyone. Open the pelvis. Belly, chest, forehead direction to the floor. One step back, Snehal. With the knees. More, Snehal, more. Time is on, guys. 1 minute hold. Fully surrender to the breath. Inhale and exhale from your nose. Long exhale if there's a lot of tension in the shoulders. Rajesh, open the pelvis like in cow position. Opposite, 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 opposite. Opposite movement of what you're doing, you're rounding. Open, open. Cow position, you're doing cat. Opposite. Last 15 seconds. Snehal. Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly coming up. Very good. Very good, guys. Watch me. We are gonna put one block. Watch closely, okay? We're gonna put one block, option 1, second setting. Yes, on this direction. On the mat. We're gonna place the scapula in between. Yes, so we make sure it's in between the scapula. Yes, here. You're gonna press the sitting bones down, press the feet. The head will reach probably the floor. You can extend the arms up. Yes? Option 2. High setting of the block in between the scapula. Open, relax the head down, extend the arms. Yes? When I extend the arms, I bring the shoulders to the ears. I don't just extend the arms. I squeeze the scapula, lift the shoulders to the ears. Yes? Option 3. One block, low setting, guys. High setting with the second block. Same. Up, open, extend. Yes? We will hold. Guys, make sure it's in between your scapula. Yes, on this line. Under the armpit. Here. Yes? Not in the middle of the spine, a little bit higher. For the ladies on the bra line. Everyone ready? If you're extending the arms, shoulders to the ears, and then extend the elbows, interlace the fingers together, time is on. Relax the neck completely, drishti towards your hands. Don't go to the most difficult version if you don't feel open in the chest. Take the first variation. Hold it, guys. Stillness in the body. Depth in the breath. Last 25 seconds. Extend the arms, Ayana. Interlace the fingers. Shoulder pain? Acha. Last 3, 2, 1. Slowly, hands down. Press the hands, chin to chest. Come to sitting position. 5 cat and cow on tabletop position. 5 cat and cow. Come back slowly. Hands on the shoulders, knees under hips. Make sure alignment is correct. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. More weight on the hands, Aman. Inhale, open. Yes. Exhale, 2. Inhale, open. Exhale, 3. Inhale, open. Exhale, 4. Inhale, open. Exhale, 5. Open in cow and hold. 10, 9, 8. Shoulders away from the ears. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to center. Watch me. We will go regular puppy pose, hands together. Together, one on top of the other. We will do both sides. So then we will change. Yes? We will press again, guys. When we are doing puppy pose, shoulder to the ear. Even if the hands are on the floor, I have to leave the shoulders extend maximum. This is shoulder extension. Yeah? So, hips on top of the knees, arms forward. One palm on top of the other in the middle. I will try forehead down. I will try nose or chin or chest and chin. Yes? We will hold it down, guys. This is going to start getting intense in the shoulders. Yes? Shoulder up. Everyone take position. We hold it 1 minute, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. And why? Interlace the fingers at the top of the mat. Arms extended, one palm on top of the other, puppy pose. Open the pelvis. Guys, you have to think of opening the pelvis like in cow position. Keep the hands active and pressing down. No bending of the elbows. Shoulder elevation towards the ears. Last 30 seconds. Very good. Rajesh, open the pelvis like in cow. Try, this is cat. We tried cow many times. Try cow. No, this is cat position. Yes, more of this. Last 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly. Coming up. Shoulder rotations. 5. Big. 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward. 5. Big. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulder up to the ear. Inhale. Big exhale down. 1 more up. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. Very good. Now, Watch me. We will go same thing, other arm. Whatever hand you have down, change it. Yes, 1 minute. Again, forehead, nose, chin, or chest. It can happen that this side is a bit more restricted. Yes, depending which arm is on top, it will affect. Yeah, one shoulder sometimes is more open than the other. So don't try to force the same variation. If it happens, it happens. Otherwise, adjust accordingly. Yeah? Second side. Remember to open the pelvis. Rajesh, watch me. You are doing this. I want you to try this, which is the cow. Yeah? This is cat, this is cow. So this pelvic movement is very important, yeah? For all the positions, for all the classes. Now we are doing this one. Open, open. Forehead down. Yeah, as much as you can. Everyone, let's start in 5. Prepare 4, 3, 2, 1, and by start. Don't repeat the side, guys. Second side. Thirty seconds left. Very good, guys. Last stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the hands down. Round the spine. Very good. Cat and cow. 3 times only. Inhale, open arch. Exhale, press and round. Inhale, 2. Exhale, press and round. Inhale, 3. Exhale, press and round. Hold in the round position. 10, 9, separate the scapula, opposite Rajesh. 7, 6, 5, opposite, press and round, round, round. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Watch me, guys. We're gonna go deeper, different variations. Block, guys, on the low setting. Yes? Now we'll place the hands one next to the other. Next to the other, guys. Yes? On top. Now we want to press, lengthen shoulders to the ears, open. See if you can bring the chest, the chin down. Otherwise, same, forehead. I keep opening here, so most likely you will go nose, chin mainly. You need to keep pulling the shoulders down. Yes? 1 minute hold. And let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Extend the arms fully. Guys, press the hands against the block. The elbows will extend. It's not a comfortable, I'm relaxing the arms. The elbows are extended. Jyoti, extend the elbows fully. Press the hands to the blocks. Yes. Thirty more seconds. 30 more seconds. Tanu, 1 step back with the knees. Tanu Oyal, not you, sorry. Other Tanu. Last 7, 6, 5. Rajesh, much better. 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the hands to the blocks. Round up. Very good. We will try the same 30 seconds, 2 blocks. Yes? 2 blocks. One on top of the other like this. Okay? On the low setting. Same thing. Press, press, press. Shoulders to the ears. Open, open, open. Maybe nose or forehead. Maybe chin or maybe chest and chin. I keep activating the arms. Guys, it's going to get very tense now. Don't bend the elbows here. Press the hands to the blocks. And to come out slowly round. As deep as you can, guys. As deep as you can. Yes? Prepare. Make sure the knees are under the hips. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Shoulders to the ears. Press the hands to the blocks. Full extension. Challenge yourself. Try to go a little bit lower with every exhale. Anupama Singh, 1 step back with the knees. Press the hands to the blocks and extend the elbows. Guys, 30 more seconds. We are doing this. Come on, come on. Very good. Last 3, 2, 1. Press the hands to the blocks. Round from the lower back and up. Hip circles in tabletop. Pelvis circle, sorry. Yes, all in the pelvis. 5 and then 5 the opposite direction. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And opposite 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Very good. Now everyone take your yoga belt. You're going to measure arm distance. Yes, arm distance. Everyone's arm grab from the head until the shoulder. Measure. Yes, now you're going to grab with your hands. Keep it tense. Yeah, this cannot happen. Now watch me. You will lift the shoulders up. Lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. Open internal rotation. And open the pelvis down. 1, center. 2, center. Yes? So inhale. Exhale, open. Eyes forward. Don't drop the head. Yeah? Back of the neck long. Guys, look at me closely. When we are doing this, it's internal rotation. Yes? So now we are applying the internal rotation. Yes? If your elbow is bent, release a little bit more of the strap. Yes? This. I have to have the shoulders up to facilitate rotation. Yes? Everyone ready? When we are going down, we pull down without bending. The depth will come with practice, okay? Focus on movement, how it feels. Exhale. Let's start. 1, exhale down, center. 2, exhale down, arch the spine like in cow, eyes forward, center. 3, center. 4. Center. One more. Open and hold. Open and hold. 20 seconds hold, eyes forward. Arch, open the pelvis, chest forward, chest forward. Anupama Singh, extend the elbows. Let go a little bit of the strap. Don't try to go too low. Yes, look forward. Arms straight, arms straight. Yes. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, no elbow is bending here. Before we go to the other side, guys, I am here. If this is not happening, I have to make more space. Move the hand. We measure arm distance, yeah? If this is not happening, I'm stuck here. I have more yoga belt to let go. Yes, and then I try again. Once I'm here, at the same time I'm opening. This is a cow position, guys. Yes, so I open the pelvis, belly, chest, forward, eyes forward. Inhale. Exhale, 2. You try to go like this with the elbow bend. You're not understanding the exercise, guys. It's not about how deep we can go. This will come only with the practice. It's about opening the shoulder, opening the thoracic in the right direction. Yes? Don't worry about going down. The direction is down. Yeah? 5 on the second side and repeat. No bending of the elbows. I don't want to see elbows bend, guys. Don't take it on the ego. Let's go. Inhale. Eyes forward. Exhale down. Arch. Inhale. Center. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Center. Exhale. 3. Inhale, center. Yes, Terence, don't bend the elbows. Exhale, 4. Full internal rotation, Shilpa. Inhale, center. Exhale, 5 and hold. Eyes forward, back of the neck long. Hold it 20 seconds only. Anupama, eyes forward. Anupama Singh, eyes forward. Yes. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Release completely. Now, guys, we're going to take the chair. One more hold. Attention. We are going to bring the hand shoulder distance on the edge of the chair. Yes? Now we're going to walk until wrist, elbow, shoulder, and hips are in the same line. And then one tiny step back. So the knees will be slightly behind the hips. Now here it's very important that I have control. Yeah, this segmentation of the spine. So extending shoulders to the ears, extending the arms. I'm going to open the pelvis, start going direction to the floor and hold, guys. No one collapsing. Here is the strength. Yeah? I'm pressing the hands towards the chair, guys. This movement of lifting has to come, yeah? The opening is on the shoulder. Yes? And I facilitate the opening by opening the pelvis, keeping everything engaged. We are holding as low as possible. Yeah, let the gravity and breath take you down. Nothing to do other than pressing and opening. Yes? Let's start, guys, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. All the way down and we hold. Open pelvis, belly, chest. Open shoulders. Press the hands to the chair. Anupama Singh, 2 steps back with the knees. Ayana Perla, 2 steps back. You have pain? Ayana, do puppy pose on the floor. Puppy pose on the floor. Extended arms. Ayana. And just forehead or chin, chest, chin, whatever you can do that it's not too intense. 30 more seconds, guys. Needy, one step back with the knees, guys. Today we are having in this exercise 1 or 2 steps back with the knees. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly with control. All the way out. Very good. Feeling good, guys? Are we good? Yes? Watch me. Watch carefully, guys. With the chair, yes? We're gonna sit on the floor. The thoracic, yeah? The upper part of the spine where before we were putting the block and opening, yes? This part will go on the edge of the chair. Yes? Feet hip distance apart, press the feet down. Now you're gonna bring the hands to the edge, lift the hips, try to walk down and pelvis down. 1, hip up. 2, hip up. Yes? Down. And up. Put them out slowly, slowly, slowly. Yes? Guys, you sit close. Yes? Hands. Like this, like a T-Rex. Hands back. Lift the hips. Walk the hands down as much as you can. And then exhale. It's gonna get intense on the shoulders. Yes? Make sure your feet are under the hips. Under the hips, under the knees. Feet under the knees. Aman, feet under the knees. Everyone check your feet. Ayana Perla, feet under the knees. Up and down, guys. 1 minute. Everyone moving slow. Awareness to what we are doing, what we are feeling. Raki, you have to walk the hands down the back legs. Guys, you have to walk the hands down the back legs before lowering the pelvis. Aman, walk the hands back in the back legs. Yes. Last 30 seconds. Jyoti, try. Raki, slide the hands to the back leg of the chair, back leg of the chair. Back leg of the chair, no. From up. And 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes, Divya. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming out. Hands to the floor. Sit down. Relax. We will go for a hold, but first watch me again. Those who are confused where to put the hands. The hands, like a T-Rex, come up like this. Hands will grab, not the front leg, guys. The back leg of the chair. So I go here. Lift the arms. If I need fins up, watch my arms as slow as I can. Yeah, because later I have to bring the hip down. 1, up. If I bring my feet here, it's very difficult. So, starting position, feet under your knees. Exhale. 1, 2. If you open the elbows to the side, it's gonna be feeling really horrible, yeah? Elbows, even if they are on the back leg, they are facing to the sky and keep facing to the sky. They don't move to the side. Yeah? Hold it only. Focus on alignment. Let the breath take you down, guys. Everyone trying? We start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Hold it only, hold it only. Pelvis low. As if you want to sit on the floor, pelvis low. Breathe and hold. Hold it down. No pulsing, hold it down. Stay 30 more seconds. Come on, we're halfway. Priya, hold it down. Neha, hold it down. Yes. Shilpa, more down if you can. Last 10, 9, 8. Yes, Terence, 6, 5. Raki, yes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly lift the hips. Walk the hands up and calm down. Cat and cow 3 times. Very good, guys. Watch me. We will remove the chair and go towards the wall with the mat. Watch first. We will bring the feet to touch the wall. Yes? So, toes are tucked under. Yes? Tucked under. Like this, but touching the wall with the heels. Yes? Feet, you can keep hip distance apart. Now, keep the hips here, extend the arms, shoulder distance apart. Try to touch the chest down, and then we will try to extend. You can't, you go forward, extend. You're pressing the hips to the wall to extend the legs. Yes? Try. We try to extend and hold 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time zone. If you can't extend, walk a little bit forward with the hands and try again. Keep the shoulders down, elbows extended. Yes, Pragnya. Extend the knees, hips up. Yes, guys, come on, extend the knees. If you cannot extend the knees, you have to walk forward with the hands. 7, 6, Sunita ji, extend the knees. 5, 4, yes, 3, 2, 1. Slow and control down. Belly on the mat. Relax. We will go again, guys. I repeat, if you cannot extend the knees, you have to walk the hands forward. Guys, if you cannot extend the knees here and lift the hips, you slide forward and try again. Yes? The knees extend, the hips go up. Yes? And we hold. Now, I give you 30 more seconds. Yes? Those who felt really comfortable, and I mean comfortable that you could talk. If someone is at that level of comfort, take one block in each hand. Watch me first. Feet hip distance. Take the blocks on the low setting. Forward. Hands. You go down. Extend. It will go more intense into your shoulders. Yes? 30-second hold. Let's start. 3, 2, 1. Prepare. Let's go. Everyone up, everyone up. Extend the elbows. Yes, Gumati? Lakshmi, extend the knees, extend the knees. Malika, extend the knees. Yes, Sunita ji. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Belly on the mat. Breathe, relax. This can get very intense. One more. Hold. Yes, I give you options. If this was already a struggle, keep the same variation, 30 more seconds. You will feel better on the second round. If this is comfy, we will try with the elbows bent, no blocks. Elbows bent is going to be intense enough. Yes, feel hip distance, heels on the wall. Extend, extend, extend. Once the chest and chin are down, press the elbows. The elbows don't move to the side, okay? We stay in the same distance, hands together, and then extend. Yes? Another option is you go the same away from the wall. So you really have to touch the toes without sliding down. Yes, so you can do this one, extend, but this cannot happen. Yeah, you need to be strong enough. Yes, and the same you can do with the elbows. Here and up. Yes? Last hold of the day, and then we do the prayer. Last hold, guys. Last hold. Give me your best. Let's start in 5. Choose your variation. 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Guys, those who don't feel comfortable, don't go for the elbows bend. If your chest is not touching down, it doesn't make any sense. Hold it, I'm taking a picture. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Belly on the floor. Rest. Take a rest, belly down. Press the hands. Come back to tabletop. You're gonna press into cat position and hold maximum pressure. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Sit. You're gonna bend the knees in a diamond shape, soles of the feet together. Interlace the fingers at the top of the toes. Exhale, bend the elbows, all head towards the feet. We hold it 30 seconds and then we do the prayer. Everyone, don't miss this. Finish the class nicely. Rajesh, bend the elbows. Yes. Anupama Singh, feet more forward. Feet more forward. Forward. This is back. Forward. Anupama Singh, forward. Yes. Away from you. That's it. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming up. Sitting in a comfortable cross leg position. Right ear, right shoulder. Left shoulder away. Fingertips on the mat. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Left ear, left shoulder. Pull. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Close your eyes. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen spine. Inhale. Reach the arms up. Join the hands in prayer. Exhale. Bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience, and the uniqueness that it comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish chanting one Om, 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Wrap the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of your hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your body through your eyes. Light the palms on your face. Draw a beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy it. This class is recorded. Yes, I will send from the group.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, guys. Someone is. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Now we'll be very open after this practice, yeah?
Yeah.
Might feel a bit sore, but all the thoracic, all the tension from the shoulders, poof, gone. Yeah?
Ma'am.
And now it's like we are very energetic. Yeah, maybe some emotions can come in the next minute, so just let it flow. Yeah, whatever emotion comes, don't suppress. Yes? Yes, Pranya, I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to ask. When we stretch our legs, we pressure on our feet.
Say again.
When we do the walk,
Mm-hmm.
straight,
Straight.
yeah. We pressure on our chin also.
On the feet, the pressure should come here, guys. Yes, because the arms will take the pressure. The hands, they look relaxed, but you are pressing against the mat. Yes, so that all the it comes here in the stroke, it does it pleasant and it is to be the liquid. Yeah? Thank you, guys. Any questions from the group? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.